I'm hungry for macaroni and cheese. My wife says you cannot be hungry for something specific, but I am. Take a medium-sized saucepan. Add 2 cups of spaghetti, roughly 250 grams. Add 2 cups of boiling water. Put spaghetti on stove and cook. Medium heat and keep an eye on it. Roughly half a kilogram of lean beef mince, defrost. 1 large onion, sliced. Heat olive oil in a pan. Fry onions. Add mince. Add some garlic. Add salt and black pepper to taste. Fry mince until it's golden brown. Then add macaroni to the mince. Stir. Add the cream, 250 milliliters. Add 250 grams of cheese. Serve while it's still hot with Mrs. Ball's chutney, Olgol's tomato sauce, or Hetty's homemade tomato chutney. Sweetheart, Hetty's chutney is almost finished.